Hey guys, if your agency isn't at 50K MRR yet, there are 7 main factors why it's like that. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can get past them, how you can fix them, how you can scale your agency. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep creating these videos, and let's get started. So first thing, the main one is you're not getting enough sales opportunities. If you're not talking to clients, if you don't have demos in your calendar, it's impossible to grow. So how we can fix this? You need to get more email accounts, set them up on instantly, send more emails, jump on sales calls, and close. It seems simple, but that's the lifeblood of your business. That's the oxygen. You can never lack on this. You need sales opportunities. You need to be reaching out to new people every damn day. So check, this is last 4 weeks for our campaigns, and you can see we have a total of 1,000 people that replied to our emails. So even if 10% of those are positive, 100 people, imagine if you were talking with 100 positive people every month that are looking to talk to you about your service. That might be a perfect client. It's impossible to fail. And we got there by sending thousands of emails every day. So you need to start sending more emails, setting up accounts, and doing this regularly. You can't lack. You need to do this every day. That's the main one. Let's get on to the second one. So second, lack of focus. So I see this a lot, and I've done this as well. So how you can fix this is stop working on side projects. So most of entrepreneurs, they have so many ideas, so many different things they want to work on. But if you really want to scale your agency, put all of those other things on pause. Just for now. It doesn't mean you're not ever going to work on them, but just for now, for the next 3 to 6 months, just go monk mode, just focus on your agency, and just focus on the things that move the needle. Stop working on your website right now, your logo. If you're not getting enough sales opportunities, that's the first thing. Set up your campaigns, start sending emails, start talking with clients, and then focus on getting your clients the best results that you can. Focus on that, focus 100% on your agency, stop everything else, and you're going to scale much faster. Third, not using VAs, virtual assistants. So VAs were a huge help in our agency. They can help you get rid of all the small things that you don't like doing. So for example, for us in our lead generation agency, mining leads, getting filters and exporting leads from Apollo and then verifying them. All this like manual laborious task that is pretty much just like clicking buttons can super easily be outsourced to VAs. Just go to Upwork. You can find some maybe on Fiverr, and all the small tasks they're doing right now that don't require much like deep domain knowledge, or it's like super easily outsourceable, just hand them over. Like I said, mining leads, managing inbox, all these things, you shouldn't be focusing on these, and that will give you much more time to focus on the things that move the needle, getting on sales calls, sending more emails, and just making more money for your agency. 4, not creating SOPs, so standard operating procedures. So these are videos and documentations on every repeatable task that you do in your agency. So for example, and if you have a lead generation agency and you're buying domains and setting up email accounts, record a loom from that. Create a documentation like this video, like this documentation I'm showing right now. Then once you have the documentation, if you're hiring more people, you can just hand them that document. You don't have to train them. You don't have to waste your time on explaining everything. You have an SOP and you can just hand it over. So this goes hand in hand with hiring VAs. Super important. Every repeatable task in your agency, write it down. Write a document, record a Loom video. Everything you give to a VA, you should record. 5th, so this is what we did in our agency, and it held us back a lot. So it's onboarding unqualified clients. It's going to be so stressful. You're going to be focusing so much of your time on bad clients, getting them results. That's going to take you away from your actual agency, getting results to the good clients. So how to fix this? So first, before you jump on a sales call with them, qualify them harder. Like, do they actually have the money to pay you long term? Do they have the time? So if something from your offer needs time from your client, make sure they're willing to do that. For lead generation agencies, super important thing is skills. If you bring them leads, can they actually close? If they don't have any experience closing cold clients, it's like they're going to be mad at you. You're going to bring them leads, you're going to bring them meetings, they jump on a call, but they don't have experience, they can't close. And that's not on you, but they're going to blame you on that. So don't work with bad clients. Same goes with, like, let's say they don't have case studies for lead generation. It's going to be very hard for you to get them more leads if you don't have any case studies. So these newer kind of projects, like new startups, are a little bit harder to work with. And if you already have these kind of clients, find a way to fire them. Like, straight up, you have to do it. If you have a guarantee with them, fulfill it, or refund if you have the money for it, but get rid of them. Don't work with them. All of your time should be going towards getting your own campaigns up, getting more clients for yourself, and helping your best clients get more results. So sixth, not investing profits into growth. So I see this a lot, and I think it's mainly because once you start getting money, you think like, if I start investing it back, if I start hiring people, you're gonna lose money. So yes, your margins will get smaller, but your net revenue profit will increase, and maybe not in the first month, but in long term, you're gonna make more money if you invest it back. So let's say right now I'm sending 100 emails daily, and I make $10,000 a month. I will invest 1K, 10% back into getting more email accounts, more domains, so I can send out 500,000 emails a day. So I will 5 or 10x our outreach by spending that 1K. But with that, I can possibly make like 20, 30K already, because I'm reaching out to so many more people. I'm getting more sales opportunities. So don't be afraid of investing some of the profits back. And it's this like delayed gratification. You're putting your current profits a little bit on pause. You're not going to buy yourself that nice dinner, that nice jacket, car, watch, whatever. But long run, you can buy multiple. You can buy many cars, like, if you want. So remember this, invest it back. And same goes into investing back into your clients. So if you have a really good client, you can invest more back into them. Lead generation, super simple. You just buy more domains for them. You don't even have to ask money for them. You can, but you can invest your own money back into getting more domains, so you can get them more results. Same stuff, like if you're an ad agency, invest money into getting like a better designer, get like a sick, kick-ass 3D or like a video editor that can create like an insane video. You pay a couple of $100, maybe even like 1,000. But if you know it's going to bring you much more back in the long run, it's worth it. So don't be afraid to invest profits back. And last, doing everything solo is a huge mistake. I feel a lot of people are struggling with this. And again, don't be afraid to outsource all the low leverage tasks that can be done by a VA just for like $5-6 an hour. Another way is to find a partner. Find a partner that has those skills or likes doing the things that you don't like doing. You can go into Instantly's Facebook group. I can put the link down below. There's a lot of like-minded people there. You can find partners on Twitter. So if you're struggling, you're not growing, I really recommend, like, you can do it solo, but it's like much harder than it needs to be. It's going to be easier with a partner. And same thing goes, like, your margin will get, so let's say you get a 50-50 partner, but your net profits will increase long term because you can do twice as much. You can do so much more work if you're a partner. Plus, you're not going to burn out. Your life is going to be a little bit easier because you always have somebody to vent to bounce ideas up from. So this is super underrated. You shouldn't be focusing on doing everything solo unless like that's your goal. And in our agency, in Instantly, we have 4 partners. It wouldn't have been as successful if I would have done it alone, 100%. So get a partner, it's going to help you. And that's it. So I hope these things helped you. Start implementing them straight away. I would say the most important part is just what most companies struggle with. They just don't have enough sales opportunities. So get more email accounts, set them up on Instantly, send more emails, and you're going to see your agency start growing and scaling, because it's always like you get more sales calls, you're going to close more, you're going to get more money. So hopefully you got some value out of this. If you did, I would appreciate if you like the video, if you subscribe so you can start receiving more of our content. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to leave all the links in the description. See you in the next video. Bye.